Hi, Asa with OEL. I've got my man Andrew Scaff here, and we are going to talk about the new OEL Black Series. First things first, we've got our bib overalls. And right out of the gate, you're going to notice we've got these 3M Scotch-Lite high-vis striping along the bells of the bib overalls. We've also got new extended length leg slit openings, non-metallic zippers. That's to kind of help get in and out of these bibs really quickly and stuff. It also helps them dry a lot faster. Along the sides here, we've got our standard hook and loops. This gives you 6 inches in or out of your waist. Then you'll notice we've got our new OEL signature bib overall straps. These are gonna be thicker, they're gonna be wider, they're gonna give you a lot more weight distribution along the shoulders so they're not cutting into you all day. And then lastly, we've got these new oversized buckles on the front too that help support those bigger and broader straps. Next, we've got the OEL Black Series jacket. First thing you'll notice as well is the 3M high-vis striping Scotch-Lite material. Then we've got the dual closure in the front with the non-metallic zipper, the hook and loop closure as well. In the back of this jacket, we've got built-in elastic to the low part of the back. We've also got that built into the lower part of the bibs as well. It kind of keeps everything really tight and really well form-fitted when you're out in the field. All of this fabric is going to be ASTM 1506 compliant and NFPA 70E compliant. And lastly, we've got our standard lift front hood, but with a lot more tricks and bells and whistles on it. So obviously we've got our standard advanced color differentiation technology shield. We've got 4 indirect ventilation systems in the front. We've got 2 on each side. This hood's going to come stock with dual 50 cal intrinsically safe flashlights. They're gonna come stock with dual 9-volt rear ventilation systems, 1 indirect ventilation system, and then also the 3M Scotch-Lite high-vis striping. All of this clothing also has a new part of technology baked in. That's gonna be our stretch intact system. On the hood itself, we've got it on both sides. This kind of helps lay the shroud down a little bit more flush along the chest and the shoulders. We've also got it underneath the armpits as well. So when you're in the field and you're kind of making these types of motions and stuff and you're having to stretch and reach for things, you're not pulling the weight of the jacket on the back side of it. And we've also got it built in to the crotch of the bibs overalls as well. So when you're kneeling down, when you're squatting or anything like that, you're not pulling the knees or anything of that nature. So all of the OEL products are made in America, they're designed in America, and we continue to develop them in America. We're proud of the red, white, and blue and the stripes we get to share on the shoulders. Have a great day and be safe.